Cleopatra VII, Cleopatra, also known as Cleopatra the Great, is one of the most iconic and fascinating figures in history. As the last active ruler of the Ptolemaic Kingdom of Egypt, she is best remembered for her legendary beauty, intelligence, and political prowess. Her reign has been immortalized in literature, art, and film, making her a timeless symbol of power and intrigue. However, beyond the popularized image of a seductive queen lies a complex and multifaceted legacy that continues to intrigue and mystify us today. In this video, we will delve into the life of Cleopatra, unraveling the layers of her legacy and exploring the impact she has had on history and popular culture. The historical significance of Cleopatra. Cleopatra, the last active ruler of the Ptolemaic Kingdom of Egypt, holds immense historical significance. Her reign marked the end of an era, as Egypt transitioned from being an independent kingdom to becoming a province of the Roman Empire. Cleopatra's interactions with prominent Roman leaders, such as Julius Caesar and Mark Antony, had far-reaching consequences that reshaped the course of history. Her alliances and strategic decisions during her reign showcased her political acumen and shrewdness. Cleopatra sought to maintain Egypt's autonomy and secure its prosperity amidst the shifting tides of power. She embraced her role as the representative of the Egyptian people, utilizing her intelligence and charm to forge alliances and navigate the treacherous political landscape. Cleopatra's historical significance extends beyond her role as a ruler. She became a symbol of resistance against Roman dominance and embodied the rich cultural heritage of Egypt. Her fascination with Greek philosophy and love for Egyptian culture fostered a unique blend of traditions that influenced art, literature, and intellectual discourse in the ancient world. Understanding the historical significance of Cleopatra allows us to appreciate the lasting impact she had on the political and cultural landscape of her time and beyond. Her story is one of intrigue, power, and a testament to the resilience and intelligence of women in positions of authority. Cleopatra as Queen of the Nile. Cleopatra's rise to power as Queen of the Nile is a story that is as fascinating as it is intriguing. Born into a royal lineage, she inherited the throne at the tender age of 18, alongside her younger brother Ptolemy the Thean. However, Cleopatra was not content with a shared rule and soon asserted her authority as the sole ruler of Egypt. With her charm, wit, and intelligence, Cleopatra captivated not only the Egyptian people, but also foreign leaders. Her alliance with Julius Caesar, one of the most powerful men in Rome, secured her position and allowed her to exert her influence beyond the borders of Egypt. Together they had a son named Caesarion, further solidifying Cleopatra's place in history. But it was her relationship with Mark Antony that would ultimately seal her fate. Cleopatra's seductive allure and political savvy drew Antony to her side, and they became lovers. Together, they formed a formidable alliance against Octavian, Caesar's adopted son and future emperor of Rome. Cleopatra's reign as Queen of the Nile was characterized by ambition, cunning, and a relentless pursuit of power. Accomplishments and influences during her reign. During her reign, Cleopatra accomplished many significant feats that left a lasting impact on Egypt and the ancient world. She implemented several reforms aimed at improving the lives of her people, including economic policies that stimulated trade and increased prosperity. Cleopatra also had a deep appreciation for art and culture, promoting the development of literature and supporting the arts in Egypt. Her patronage of intellectuals and philosophers fostered a vibrant intellectual atmosphere in Alexandria, making it a center of learning and innovation. Additionally, Cleopatra was a skilled diplomat, forging alliances and negotiating treaties that maintained Egypt's autonomy and protected its interests. Her interactions with influential Roman leaders further solidified her position and allowed her to exert her influence on the world stage. Cleopatra's reign showcased her astute political skills and her ability to navigate the complexities of power in a male-dominated world. Her accomplishments and influences during her reign continue to be remembered and admired to this day. Cleopatra's beauty secrets. Throughout history, Cleopatra's beauty has been celebrated and admired. Her timeless allure and captivating looks have left people wondering about the secrets behind her stunning appearance. So, what were Cleopatra's beauty secrets? One of Cleopatra's most famous beauty secrets was her skincare routine. She was known for her flawless complexion and radiant glow. She believed in the power of natural ingredients and used honey and milk to cleanse and moisturize her skin. Cleopatra also reportedly bathed in milk and honey, which was believed to nourish and soften her skin. Another beauty secret of Cleopatra was her use of essential oils. She was a firm believer in the therapeutic and cosmetic benefits of oils such as rose, lavender, and almond. Cleopatra would incorporate these oils into her beauty rituals, using them to moisturize her skin, soften her hair, and enhance her natural beauty. Cleopatra versus Ptolemy. In the intricate web of ancient Egyptian politics, the rivalry between Cleopatra and her younger brother Ptolemy is a captivating chapter. As siblings and co-rulers, their relationship was marred by power struggles and bitter disputes. Cleopatra, with her ambition and intellect, was determined to rule Egypt alone. Ptolemy, on the other hand, sought to assert his authority and diminish his sister's influence. Their rivalry culminated in a civil war, with Cleopatra seeking support from Rome to defeat her brother. Ptolemy's eventual death allowed Cleopatra to take full control of Egypt, solidifying her position as the reigning queen of the Nile. The conflict between Cleopatra and Ptolemy highlights the complexities of power dynamics in ancient Egypt and the challenges faced by women in positions of authority. While Ptolemy was seen as the rightful ruler by traditional standards, Cleopatra's determination and strategic alliances allowed her to prevail. The rivalry between Cleopatra and Ptolemy adds another layer to the already fascinating story of Cleopatra's rise to power. The Battle of Actium and Legacy. Amidst a war-torn landscape, the Battle of Actium saw Cleopatra's alliances crumble, leading to a devastating defeat and the tragic end of both Mark Antony and the legendary queen herself. Cleopatra's demise marked not just the end of a dynasty, but also the transformation of the Roman Republic into an empire. Her legacy, a testament to resilience and influence, continues to echo through the ages. The Battle of Actium, fought in 31 BC, pitted the forces of Octavian, the future Emperor Augustus, against those of Cleopatra and Mark Antony. Cleopatra's support of Mark Antony was driven by both love and political ambition, but it ultimately proved to be her downfall. Despite Cleopatra's naval prowess, her forces were defeated by Octavian's superior tactics and strategy. The battle had far-reaching consequences. With their defeat, Cleopatra and Mark Antony were forced to flee back to Egypt, where they would meet their tragic end. Octavian, now the undisputed ruler of the Roman Empire, brought Egypt under his control, marking the end of the Ptolemaic dynasty. Despite her defeat, Cleopatra's legacy lives on. Her story has been romanticized and immortalized in literature, art, and film. The Battle of Actium serves as a symbol of the downfall of a once great empire and the end of an era. Cleopatra's political ambitions, love affairs, and tragic end have captivated audiences for centuries, making her one of the most iconic figures in history. The Battle of Actium and its aftermath solidified Cleopatra's place in history. While her reign may have ended in defeat, her influence and impact continue to resonate, cementing her as a powerful and enigmatic queen of the Nile. The impact and depiction of Cleopatra in popular culture. Cleopatra's legacy extends far beyond the pages of history books. Her fascinating life and intriguing persona have captivated artists, writers, and filmmakers for centuries, resulting in a multitude of depictions in popular culture. From Shakespeare's play Antony and Cleopatra to Elizabeth Taylor's iconic portrayal in the 1963 film, Cleopatra's allure and enigmatic character have been reimagined time and time again. In popular culture, Cleopatra is often depicted as a seductive temptress, using her beauty to manipulate powerful men. While this portrayal may be a result of historical biases and gender stereotypes, it has cemented her as a symbol of femininity, power, and intrigue. Cleopatra's image has been immortalized in art, with countless paintings and sculptures showcasing her striking features and regal demeanor. The impact of Cleopatra's depiction in popular culture cannot be understated. She continues to inspire and fascinate audiences around the world, proving that her legacy as Queen of the Nile transcends time and continues to captivate our collective imagination. Cleopatra's legacy today. Cleopatra, the enigmatic Queen of the Nile, continues to captivate our imagination and intrigue us to this day. Her legacy, although centuries old, remains a topic of fascination and debate. Unraveling the layers of Cleopatra's legacy allows us to gain a deeper understanding of her influence on history and popular culture. Her political acumen, cultural contributions, and tumultuous relationships have made her a figure of both admiration and controversy. Cleopatra's story serves as a reminder of the complexities and contradictions of human nature. She was a powerful ruler, a diplomat, and a patron of the arts. Yet she was also a woman caught in the grip of love and political turmoil. As we continue to study and discuss Cleopatra's legacy, we are reminded of the enduring power of her story. She serves as a symbol of resilience, intelligence, and the indomitable spirit of women throughout history. Cleopatra's impact on the world, both during her lifetime and in the centuries that followed, is a testament to the lasting power of a strong-willed and captivating leader. Today's show concludes, but the adventure doesn't end here. While our content is free, subscribing to our channel is a fantastic way to support us. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.